Today's video, we're going to be unboxing the September OK Beauty box. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video we are going to be unboxing the September OK Beauty box. So just open it on up there. Oh, if I can get in it. We have the edit card. It has the information on all the products, which is great, so we'll be looking at that throughout the video. We have some vouchers there for the OK magazine, and yeah, there's a quick sneak peek for you. But let's jump straight into it and get digging in here. If this is a box that you are interested in, I will link it down below in the information box for you. There's a link on their website which gets you a percentage off as well. I'll pop that next to the link if you want to use that. And yeah, it's £15 per month. But yeah, let's jump straight in. The first product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Wild Science Lab, and this is True Balance Scalp Hydration Shampoo. It has an RRP of £10 and it is a travel size. It just says this shampoo benefits your hair and your scalp. Ingredients such as aloe vera and argan oil work to tackle dry, itchy and irritated skin on your head. So you just apply a small amount to wet hair, massage into the scalp and the lengths, and rinse thoroughly. Yeah, cool. I love getting little shampoos like this, absolutely great for travelling, and yeah, great to try out to see if you do actually like them, and then you can invest in the larger ones if you're happy with them. But yeah, there is a shampoo. The second product in the box is this. So again, by the same brand, Wild Science Lab, and this is the Kind Balance Scalp Hydration Conditioner. Again, it's travel size, has the same value of £10. It just says pair your Wild Science Lab shampoo with this matching conditioner to add extra moisture. Like the shampoo, it's also a great product for sensitive scalps as it helps to reduce itching and flakiness. So after using the shampoo, massage this into the scalp in the ends and rinse thoroughly. Yeah, cool. So anybody who knows me and is a regular watcher of my channel know that I love a matching set, so this makes me very, very happy indeed. And yeah, really nice brand. I've tried a few products by them, haven't been disappointed. So yeah, really excited to try those out. The third item we've got in the box is this. So this is by the brand Nail Kind, and it's Burnin' Love Natural Vegan Nail Polish. It's a full size, it has a value of £8.95. It just says a classic red nail polish in a beauty bag is an essential. The formula is made from plant-based ingredients, making it kind to your nails and the environment. Yeah, cool. I mean, that is red. If you want red, there you go. That's red. So is that the actual name of the colour? Burnin' Love. Yeah. Looks very nice. To me, I think, would you say, yeah, I think that's a orangey red. Product in the box is this. So this is by the brand Grace and Stella, and it's a hot and cold gel bead mask. It has a value of £11, and it just says great for mornings and evenings. This eye mask can be used cold to refresh and depuff tired eyes, or warm to soothe and relax before bed. Either place the mask in the freezer for 15 minutes or heat in the microwave for 10 seconds before placing over the eyes. Yeah, cool. I love stuff like this. Absolutely love it. This is sealed. I'm going to leave it sealed because I have something similar in my drawer which I currently use, so I might pop this in a giveaway. I haven't done a giveaway in a while, have I? I'll have to sort something out. But looking at the pictures there, that is what it looks like. Nice. Fifth and final product in the box we have is this. So this is by the brand Avant Skincare, and it's a moisture surge overnight treatment. It's a full size of 50ml and it has a value of 84 quid. Wow. Want to get better skin in just 8 hours? Apply this rich, nourishing treatment and wake up with fresher looking face. Massage gently into the skin 2 to 3 times a week as the end of your evening routine. Okay, nice. I can never afford anything like this, so I love it when I get it in the beauty boxes that I get every month. It's a real treat. Whatever you think of the brand, I've tried a few bits from them and I've really liked what I've tried. Whether they've been worth what they actually charge is another thing. But yeah, can't wait to try that out. So this is the September OK Beauty box. What do you think? Personally, I think it's a really decent little box. Not bad at all. There have been better boxes that we have received from OK Beauty, but this is not a bad box by any means. I love that we get a shampoo and conditioner. Yes, they are only travel size, but I prefer getting a shampoo and a conditioner that's travel size than a full size either conditioner or shampoo. I hate getting one or the other, so really glad we've got a set. The nail varnish, it's a nice colour. I don't really wear that, to be honest. I used to a few years back. Maybe I should just whack it on my nails and see how I feel. Yeah, the eye mask is a nice little touch. I like how you can use it hot or cold depending on what you're after from it. And yeah, a nice Avant skin product. Definitely really super bloody expensive. Like I say, you make your own mind up if you think it's worth that or not. Again, I cannot afford to purchase that on a normal day-to-day basis, so to get something in a box like this where I can actually try it out and feel a bit bougie for a little while certainly makes me happy in any way. But yeah, to me this gets a thumbs up. I do think I feel like I've got my money's worth, which is the most important thing. But what do you think? Comment down below and share your thoughts. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.